Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to teach you how to remove picture background. Okay, you may have different reason why you want to delete picture background. That's none of my business, so let's get straight on the point. So to remove a picture background, I'll show two options in this video. The first one will be a free one. You don't need to pay anything or any kinds of payment, or not have to make any account. Okay, and second one will be the paid one, or but still I'll make that paid one as a free one. Okay, so without further delay, let's get straight on the point. So I'm going to show you the first, that's it, free one. remove.bg sorry remove.bg. Okay, this one, this is the website I used to be, and this is the website, that's a free one. Okay, just upload your picture. For this I am uploading this one, this picture, and this is uploading. You see, it got background got removed. The pro is you don't have to pay anything. But here you see, if you want to download in HD, you can't do this. You have to have certain credit or some point, and you have to pay for this. Okay, so but in a normal use, you can just download, click on download, and this will be downloaded. Okay, you can see this is the perfectly background removed, and here it is. Okay, this was for free, and I'm going to show you for paid one that help you to download in HD or whatever it was. Okay, this one is Canva. Okay, you can see that I have a Canva on my phone. Canva is a great tool for design or any kinds of design stuff on online. You may already know about this, and this I'm using this paid version, and I am loving it. I've been using this for past 2 years, and this is the best of the best when it comes to design field. Okay, I'm not saying just buy. I'm just showing you how easy it is. Sorry, my tongue sometimes gets upload. Okay, this is the video. So in this Canva, just you have to remove just click on effect, and here is the BG remover. You don't use just click on BG remover, and automatically background will be removed. You can see this is the how easy it is. And if you wanna just for free one, you can just use the remove.bg website, and you want to download in HD or any other higher work, you just use this Canva, and this has 30-day free trial. I'm not saying if you buy, it's a perfect. I absolutely recommend it. But if you don't want to buy, just try use for trial version. You can get free Canva Pro for 30 days. If you have for trial version, you can do everything for that 30 days, and you can just cancel. But I recommend you use this because you're gonna love it. So I hope you like this video. If you like, subscribe to my channel. If you don't, unsubscribe. Thank you.